Definitely one of the most unexpected and pleasantly surprising things to happen to me in a hot minute. I ordered a Pokemon 151 booster box from Japan, off of eBay. Yeah, there was no like authenticity guarantee or anything as part of it. I was just like, YOLO, whatever. Let's see if I get something. I want to open up some 151 packs. I thought that would be really cool. And it said it'll be shipped with 2-day business shipping. And I'm like, okay, well, that means they're going to ship it within 2 days of the order from Japan. It'll take weeks to be here. No, it it literally got here. Like they shipped, I think this was overnighted from Japan to my house in Louisiana. And here it is. We're going to open some 151 cards. Let's go. All right, here it is. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Isn't this cool? I am pretty excited about this. There it is, the box right there. SV2A. That's kind of the call code that we have here. So let's just dig into it. We're going to open up the box. And what's in the box? I really hope there's cards in here. I hope I wasn't scammed. We'll get this going. Get the wrap off. Get that off to the side. Now, we've got the ability to rip this guy open like so. So I'm going to do exactly that somehow, I think. There we go. And inside are... There they are. Pokemon 151. Oh, man, it's cool. All right. Let's not waste any time, huh? Let's not make the good people wait. Waited long enough. Man, these seem tough to open. They make these differently in Japan? What is this? Okay. Pack number 1. Gotcha. Yeah, okay. There's a nice reverse holo right there. Oh, not bad. Okay. And notice no energies. No energies in these packs. Okay. Pack number 2. Oh man, these are hard. I'm gonna need some scissors. What the hell? Do I need to open it from the bottom, maybe? No. Damage the cards just trying to open the pack. Alright, what do we have here? Okay. Sandy, Magnemite, Kakuna, and Beedrill. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Okay, got it. Cool. Let's open some more. Give me something good. Give me something good. I think we all want those. Okay, okay. Got it. Okay, look, a little squirrel with a holo. There we go. Yep, Dragon with a holo. What is that? Rattata? There we go. And open. I know we all want to see the full art, right? Cool though. It's cool. Go. Ooh. There is a full art. Yeah. That's nice. I like that. I might set that to the side. Okay. Go. Alright. What's back? So far, the War Turtle's been the best one. But not a bad hit rate on the full arts. Okay, I see you, Wigglytuff EX. There we go. Alright, Wigglytuff got the EX treatment. Okay, cool with me. Set that to the side because it's cool. Let's open some more 151s. Ah, these are so hard to open. Oh my gosh. They put these things together with Gorilla Glue? Alright, what do we got here? Okay. Okay, a Nidoking, not bad. A Flareon, not bad. Snorlax, I'll take Snorlax, he's cool, right? Holo looks good. Yeah, there you go, Nidoking. There we go. Okay, cool. I'll have to go back to that Wartortle and just look at that some more. That was really cool. Hope we get more like that. Alright, so ooh, okay, Charmander, let's get it going. Yep. Cool. Set the Charmander to the side. Oh, that's cool. Alright, there. Not a bad start to the collection. So good. Alright, let's keep going. Ah! That one. Just gotta get really tough on these things. Okay. Pikachu. Nothing too special here. You can see that Holo. Maybe a little bit. Let me see. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Not much going on there. Okay, cool. Oh, little Bulbasaur at the end. Okay. Open up some more. Ah! Okay. Ooh, okay. Holo Sandshrew. Oh, Blastoise EX. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now we're cooking. Let's set you to the side, Blastoise. Okay. Oh, this one better contain some good cards if you're going to fight me this much. Ah! There we go. You gotta just growl at it when you're done. Ah! Okay, what do we got here? You know, a Bulbasaur Holo, and then a Vaporeon, Fable, I think. And then that looks like Charmeleon. Okay. Let's see. Okay, flipping along. Holo. Ooh, Gengar. Nothing special. Okay. Dead pack. Oh no! Don't get too messy. Okay. Next pack. Alright. What do we have in this pack? Let's see. Okay. Oh no, wait, I thought that was an Umbreon. I was like, what's that? I'm like, what is that? I forgot the color of Umbreon for a second. Okay, let's keep going. Still got a few left to go. Opening packs. Opening packs. Let's see. Dude. Jolteon. Alright. Let's see. What is next? Yeah, okay. Let's see. Ooh, Jigglypuff. I love Jigglypuff. Okay. That little Cubone. Ooh, hello. Nice EX treatment right there for you. We'll put you to the side. There we go. All right, how many we got? I think 4 or 6 left. Just melting through them. And it's going well so far, I'd say. Okay, Vulpix. Huh, some little road that's in Holo. Okay, another nice EX treatment right there. Yep, set you to the side. And a little Slowpoke at the end. Still hoping for something really, really nice to blow me away. Would have loved to have seen the Psyduck full art or the Pikachu full art. Those are really nice. Let's see if we get lucky. Towards the end of the pack. Okay, well, that's a nice full art treatment right there. Some alt art for sure. And then, what's that? Full Alakazam EX. Okay. Set both of them to the side. That's cool enough for me. There we go. And now we're definitely getting towards the bottom of the pack. Four packs left. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. nothing to really write home about in this pack. So, that's okay. Can't win them all. Even though they want you to catch them all, you can't win them all. Let's see. Let's see. What did I get in this one? There's an Eevee. Okay, the Dodrio, this is not bad. Mr. Mime, I'll take that. Not bad. Not bad. Not terrible. Could be worse. 2 packs left. Give me something good. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, we got a front hollow Jigglypuff Aerodactyl. Not bad. And classic Wartortle. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Last pack. No big deal. No pressure. No pressure. Last pack. Go. Polygon. Yep. Nothing special in the last pack. Oh no. Okay. Well, that's fine. Still, a lot of fun to actually get to check out these 151 cards. I can't believe it was with I really cannot believe when they said it was going to be 2-day shipping. They meant, overnighted from Japan, 2-day shipping. I bought these on Monday. It's Wednesday morning at like 9 a.m. They showed up at my door. So kudos to that seller. Wow. So anyways, let's go back and check a look at the big haul right here. So, yep, looks like we've got I think it's a Knight of King, Alakazam EX. These are Jinx, right? And this one, Blastoise EX, Charmander, I think that's a great one, Wigglytuff EX, and I think these are my 2 favorite cards. All right, that's it. See you in the next one.